boy Crypto Millie back with another market update. We did see a bit of a correction last night, a sell-off in the midst of the FUD from Ton's blockchain being shut down and the leverage being washed out in the market. But no need to get discouraged. I feel like we're one step closer to the most bullish part of the cycle, and you do not want to miss this phase. And we're going to be talking about in this video why you do not want to miss this phase. So if you like these type of videos, guys, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Consider my links in the description. If you're into amplifying your trades, consider my Margex link. We also have the crypto.com link if you want to get some crypto spot and you've never bought crypto, you can earn 25 to 50 bucks. And if you want to learn how to buy Tron meme coins and you need to cross-chain swap, consider my Rocket X link as well. Earn up to 25 bucks on these links. All right, so let's get into it, guys. We got to talk about the market. I want to tell you guys that why I am not missing this phase, right? Because I feel like this bull cycle, right? The Q4, Q1, right, will create generational wealth, right? And if you miss this, you might be family name might be taking a step. Just, you don't want to miss this. All right, so let's get into it, guys. First and foremost, let me make sure that I am recording there. Top 30 global banks and blockchain. So these are a lot of entities and wealthy names behind these entities that have all dabbled their little toe into crypto and blockchain, right? And these are billion-dollar companies. These are billion-dollar companies. In fact, these are the top 30 global banks and blockchain. Crypto isn't going anywhere, guys. So in the midst of the FUD that we get, I gotta explain why I feel like it makes sense for the elites, right? The wealthiest people, right? The real cabal, right? These are the people that run the world to pump cryptocurrency. And you can already start to see with the adoption that we're getting here. In fact, billionaire hedge fund managers are stacking Bitcoin, not just for the gains, but as a shield against inflation and economic chaos. They're not just riding the wave, they're setting the tide, guys. Make sure you go follow me on X. So even in the midst of crypto just trading sideways, we've been seeing billionaires, MicroStrategy, Galaxy, all of these entities load up on cryptocurrency. And you can tell by the inflows, right? If you look at some of the inflows of these ETFs, it's just money coming in and not much money going out. And you don't think that boomers, right? You don't think that the boomers are working to set their family name for years to come, to make sure their family name is set for years to come, right? When you think about, they don't know nothing about Bitcoin, right? But the ETFs allow the average boomer newbie that has nothing, doesn't know anything about Bitcoin, to have exposure to Bitcoin, and more retirement money will just flow into BTC. It's why experts feel like Bitcoin has no cap, and all of that liquidity will eventually trickle down to our altcoins, because we know that there's an altcoin liquidity rotation every cycle. So this is why it's important to have faith and patience, right? We know that these Bitcoin billionaires, right? Look at these guys, right? They're sitting on a yacht, they're chilling, right? You don't think that they're gonna pump crypto, right? Retail spends most of their monetary gains whenever they're in a cycle on materialistic things, who are owned by what? The elites. So it only makes sense, right, for the global liquidity to continue to rise and a percentage of that liquidity to pour into cryptocurrency. Just imagine if and trust me, they're not billionaires for no reason, right? They're smart, right? They understand that there's inflation, right? So just imagine if every billionaire put 20%, just 10 to 20% of their net worth in Bitcoin specifically, and then maybe a few altcoins, right? That will cause the market to explode, right? And again, guys, this is happening, right? This is happening, right? When you look across the spectrum of the space, right? Bitcoin has been outperforming the internet since inception, right? The internet took 30 plus years to hit 1 billion users, but Bitcoin is set to do it in just 20. Created in 2009, Bitcoin's speed to mass adoption is blowing past the OG internet. The future is here. And you can see, guys, we are substantially rising, and Bitcoin is projected to have 1 billion users by 2030. And this is a project, right? Crypto project that doesn't really have a utility and use case. It's more of a savings account on steroids, right? You just put your money in and you just hold it over time, right? Similar to what we've seen from gold, except you don't have to physically, harbor your gold everywhere you go. You just got your little ledger. You can travel across the world and utilize Bitcoin. And again, Bitcoin is it's the crack to the code, because what it does is it brings liquidity into the space. And once people start buying Bitcoin, now they want to start making gains, right? They start looking at altcoins. They start looking at blue chips, and eventually they start looking at meme coins, right? And what we have seen throughout this cycle is that people who are coming into crypto, new people, what do they buy? They buy meme coins, right? And the more memes that come out, right, the more new people that come into crypto. Now, is it always peaches and cream? No. But every single day, there is a new crypto millionaire being born, right? In fact, you don't have to be a DJ in this type of market. You can simply buy spot, hold over time, just like investors do in the stock market, and take advantage of the adoption curve that we're seeing from Bitcoin and crypto, right? It's already projected to grow faster than the internet. And believe it or not, people hated off the internet in the 80s. People hated off the email when it first came out. And again, people hate off Bitcoin and crypto. It's like history repeats itself, family. All right, so this is why I personally believe that the elites, right? This is why I personally believe that the elites have no choice but to pump crypto, right? First and foremost, market manipulation for profit. Buying cryptocurrencies at the market's bottom and then injected liquidity to drive prices up. The elites could significantly increase their wealth through the appreciation of crypto holdings, right? Very, very smart. Buy the bottom, right? Pump crypto, global liquidity. Watch people make stupid decisions once they get wealthy, buying stupid materialistic things, and they get paid twice. Retail spending cycle. Once retail investors gain profits from the crypto market, they are likely to spend those gains on goods and services. Since the elites own many of the businesses where the transactions occur, they would benefit again as retail investors spend their newly acquired wealth on materialistic items. And then 3, reinforcing control. This cycle would reinforce the elites to control over both financial markets and consumer spending, allowing them to capitalize on both ends, first from crypto market and then profits generated by their business. So y'all probably be thinking why I always say this, why I say I'm not worried at all. It only makes sense, right? If I was in an elite, right, and I'm thinking like, new market, people are starting to warm up to this market. We're seeing the government, we're seeing it being talks in election. Why not? I'm not going to lose money pumping the market, because at the end of the day, people are going to spend their money on the businesses that I own. And this is one of the reasons why I personally feel that crypto is here to stay. It isn't going anywhere. It only makes sense, guys. Like I said, it's been, outperforming the market here. So my thing is, guys, this is an opportunity for you to get in early, right? We're witnessing the birth of a new financial era where early adopters stand to achieve generational wealth far behind the typical variance of gains seen in other markets. So you get a lot more opportunity here, early opportunity, opposed to buying into the stock market, right? You're seeing a lot of new technology come out that is going to be utilized. Again, if you don't think it's going to be utilized, we can swing back over here. Top 30 global banks and blockchain. Just look at it. JP Morgan, Citi, Wells Fargo. All of these guys are already using the blockchain. All right. Now, are they just uber bullish on crypto? Maybe they not telling you, but eventually you will see through the results. The world is moving towards decentralization in digital assets, right? What's the biggest knock on AI right now? It's too decentralized, right? This is why a project like Tau will do well, because they're putting out their decentralized version of AI compared to something like ChatGPT or OpenAI, which the data annotation is controlled by just a sector of people, right? Just controlled by a sector of people. But these decentralized projects puts control back into our hands. This is why crypto was created, for financial freedom and financial sovereignty. So I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. I believe in the long play. Meme coins give you an opportunity short term to compound those gains to do what? Invest back into your high convictional plays, right? I heard Miles Disher say a very, very important thing in one of his videos, right? He said memes are not designed to buy spot. They are designed to trade. Hence the reason we can't be so highly emotional in cryptocurrency. This is why meme coin communities need to come together opposed to at each other hands, at each other necks each and every day. It's a lot of liquidity everybody for everybody. Toxicity doesn't get us anywhere, right? It only hurts people, right? And life is just too short, guys. Again, life is too short. Tell your loved ones you love them each and every day. And go outside and see how beautiful it is. You know what I mean? But crypto, man, these opportunities here that we're seeing in the market, they ain't gonna be here forever. I'm telling you, man, they are not going to be here forever. Do some research on some of these blue chips, some of these high caps, right? The utility plays. Fuck meme coins right now. Like they're not going anywhere. So every day is 10,000 new meme coins daily that can give you an opportunity at a casino lottery ticket, right? That's what it is, a casino lottery ticket. But what we're looking at here on this screen, this is how you create generational wealth. You buy into early tech, early companies that you truly believe that have a purpose for the next 4 to 7 years, guys. 4 to 7 years. I feel like if you miss this bull run, you could be setting your family name back for generations to come. Let me know what you think about this, guys. Let me know what you think about this. Are you bullish on crypto? Are you bearish on crypto? Or are you still trying to figure out the market? Let me know inside the comments. But this is why I specifically feel it makes sense for the elites to pump the global liquidity. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.